Hello friends, please stay with our video and keep supporting our YouTube channel. So today we discuss the top 40 current affairs of 31st 10th 2025. Top 40 current affairs MCQs 31st October 2025. Which day is observed in India on 31st October to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? National Press Day, National Unity Day, Teachers Day, World Food Day. National Unity Day. Which organization partnered with AICTE to set up an AI lab? Microsoft, Google, IBM, Amazon. Which organization partnered with AICTE to set up an AI lab? IBM. The ICCVAI scheme falls under which ministry? The ICCVAI scheme falls under which ministry? Agriculture, Food Processing Industries, Commerce and Industry, Rural Development. Food Processing Industries. India is exploring which reactors to power AI data center? India is exploring which reactors to power AI data centers? Fast breeder, small modular, heavy water, thorium based. India is exploring which reactors to power AI data center? Small modular reactors. India is considering SMRS for 24/7 clean power supply of AI data center. India aims to add how much nuclear capacity by 2047? India aims to add how much nuclear capacity by 2047? 50 GW, 75 GW, 100 GW, 150 GW, 100 GW. Justice Suryakant will assume office as which Chief Justice of India? 52, 53, 54, 55. Justice Suryakant will assume office as which Chief Justice of India? 53. Which institution released the World Economic Outlook? Which institution released the World Economic Outlook October 2025? World Bank, IMF, OECD, ADB, IMF. Focus area of ICCVI scheme: fertilizer plants, integrated cold chains, tractor subsidy, organic farming. Focus area of ICCVI scheme: fertilizer plants, integrated cold chains, tractor subsidy, organic farming. Integrated cold chain. International Aryan Samiti 2025 marks which reformers anniversary? International Aryan Samiti 2025 marks which reformers anniversary? Vivekananda, Dayananda Saraswati, Raja Rammohn Rai, Aurobindo. International Aryan Samiti 2025 marks Dayananda Saraswati reformers anniversary. Namit Bir Singh Walia, new international master, is from which state? Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. Namitbir Singhwalia, new international master, is from which state? Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. Punjab. He became the second international master from Jalandhar, Punjab. Max grant under ICC VAI for project 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, 30 crore. Max grant under ICC VAI for project 10 crore. Which factor not listed as cause of electricity demand rise? Hydrogen cars. Which factor not listed as cause of electricity demand rise? Hydrogen cars. Global growth forecast for 2025 by IMF. Global growth forecast for 2025 by IMF 2.5%, 3.2%, 4.0%, 5.0%. Global growth forecast for 2025 by IMF is 3.2%. Appointment of CGI under which article? Appointment of CGI under which article? 124(1), 124(2), 217, 305. That is 124, 124(2). The President appoints the CGI, Chief Justice of India, under Article 124(2). ICC VAI scheme is under which flagship program? ICC VAI scheme is under which flagship program? PM Kisan, PM KSY, PM FBY, SHC, PM KSY. ICC VAI is part of the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. PMKSY, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. Objective of International Aryan Samiti 2025. Gandhi Anniversary, Science Conference, Dayananda Saraswati and Arya Samaj Anniversary, Industrial Corridor. Objective of International Aryan Samiti 2025. Dayananda Saraswati and Arya Samaj Anniversary. India aims for what in technology? 2025 goal. India aims for what in technology? 2025. Dependence, sovereignty, outsourcing, imports. Technological sovereignty. Objective not linked to SMRS for AI Center. Objective not linked to SMRS for AI Center. 24/7 supply, smaller cores, passive safety, eliminate fossil fuels by 2026. That is, eliminate fossil fuel by 2026. Global growth trend by IMF 2025. Global growth trend by IMF 2025. Upward, downward, unchanged, doubled, downward. Global growth trend by IMF 2025, downward. The forecast shows a downward revision. India's data center capacity by 2030. India's data center capacity by 2030. 7 GW. India Nepal signed agreement for which infrastructure? Railway, transmission line, highway, gas pipeline. Transmission line. Two new 400 kV India Nepal power line approved. Inarwa New Purnia link spans 20 and 100 km, 26 and 109 km, 33 and 185 km, 40 and 150 km. 26 km in Nepal, 109 km in India. Portal launched under Koila Shakti Initiative. Clamp Portal, Ekta Portal, Coal Track, Bharat Energy Hub. Portal launched under Koila Shakti Initiative. Clamp Portal. AICTE partnered with Dash. AICTE partnered with Google, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon. AICTE partnered with IBM. New bank nomination rule from 1 November 2025 allow. New bank nomination rule from 1 November 2025 allow 1 nominee, 2 nominees, 4 nominees, 5 nominees. New bank nomination rule from 1st November 2025 allows 4 nominees. US reinstated Chhabahar sanction waiver on 18 September, 29 October, 1 October, 15 October. US reinstated Chhabahar sanction waiver on 29 October 2025. Parade marking Patel anniversary held where? Parade marking Patel anniversary held where? Delhi, Ekta Nagar, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. Ekta Nagar. Cultural theme of 31st October 2025. Women empowerment, unity, space missions, education. Unity, I think. No, national unity. National unity. Because 31st October 2025 is the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Not only India, also world. Schools closed due to cyclone Mantha in Gujarat, Odisha. What answer? Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. FY26 India growth strong due to FY financial year 2026 India growth strong due to inflation rise, domestic demand and easing inflation, weak exports, imports. Domestic demand and easing inflation. Financial year 2026 India growth strong due to domestic demand and easing inflation. 150th birth anniversary of Patel. PM inaugurated projects with 500 crore, 1,140 crore, 5,000 crore, 10,000 crore. PM inaugurate projects worth 1,140 crores. Atal's moth spotted in Atlas moth spotted in Gujarat, Karnataka, Odisha, Maharashtra. Gujarat. Atlas moth spotted in Gujarat. Which bank's universal license was rejected? Which bank's universal license was rejected? HDFC, Axis, ICICI, Jono, SFB. Jono Small Finance Bank, JSFB. Jono SFB. Lamki Bareilly line inside India length 100 km, 150 km, 185 km, 200 km. Lamki Bareilly line inside India length 185 km. Which card to levy 1% fee on education payment? Which card to levy 1% fee on education payment? HDFC, SBI card, Axis, ICICI. SBI card. National Unity Day celebrated on 31st October. Bastar Tableau from which state? Bastar Tableau from which state? Chhattisgarh. Koilya Shakti dashboard includes which portal? CLAMP portal. Banking nomination rule applies to both deposit and lockers only, deposit accounts only, credit card, both deposit and lockers. Banking nomination rule applies to both deposit and lockers. Thank you.